Welcome back to the courtroom, where reality often feels stranger than fiction. Today, we're diving into the case of City of Mango Park versus Natalia Dragovich. On paper, it's a routine traffic violation, but wait until you see how it unravels. From sunglasses in court to bikini tops and Lamborghini excuses, this case is packed with jaw-dropping moments that will have you questioning whether this is law or live theater. Will the judge hold his ground against Natalia's bold personality? Or will charm and chaos throw the courtroom into disarray? Stick around, because trust me, you don't want to miss the twists in this one.
All rise. The Honorable Judge Porter is presiding. Court is now in session. Morning.
Good morning, everyone. Please be seated. Jeff, good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. It's hot out there, right?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
We're here for case number 3135, City of Mango Park versus Natalia Dragovich. Ms. Dragovich, can you please come to the podium? Do we have a representative from Mango Park here? Do we have a Ms. Dragovich here?
Oh.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, I know you lying. Miss Dragovic, ma'am. You are Miss Dragovic?
Yeah.
Okay, first off, why are you wearing sunglasses in my courtroom? Is the sun in here or something?
Sorry, it's for style.
Okay. Second thing, why are you...
Hey.
Why are you wearing a bikini top and short shorts in my courtroom?
A bikini top?
Yes, why are you dressed like that?
Your Honor, I just come straight from the photo shoot. Like, time is money.
Okay, pause right here because what we're witnessing is a major courtroom faux pas. Natalia walked in wearing sunglasses, chewing gum, and dressed straight from a bikini shoot. Folks, courtroom etiquette is not optional, it's mandatory. Judges expect respect for the setting, the process, and the law itself. This isn't a beach club. It's a place where your freedom and finances are on the line. Question for you. If you were the judge, would you have stopped the proceedings immediately or let this play out for the chaos factor? Because Judge Porter is clearly about to send a message.
Let some things.
What is going on here?
Hey, don't you have a woman at home? Or did you forget that?
I still have eyes.
You remember that this is being recorded, right? She might see this.
I still got eyes.
Can we begin, please? I have place to be, okay?
Ma'am, why are you dressed like that?
Your Honor, I come straight from the photo shoot.
What
And
photo
honestly,
shoot?
like, look at this place. I bring at least some touch of aesthetic in here.
She couldn't help it, Judge. She couldn't help it. She had a photo shoot.
Are you
I had a photo shoot.
chewing gum in my courtroom?
Yeah.
Ms. Dragovic,
I'm sorry. You're right. I'm sorry. Let's just begin. Like, whatever
I know
you say,
you
let's
lying.
begin.
Hold on. Wait, before we even get started on this, you're gonna take that gum off my podium. I don't care where you put it, but you're taking that gum off my podium. If you gotta swallow it, I don't care. Get that gum off my podium.
Can you... Do you have a...
Hold on, hold. Oh my God. Here, I got a piece of paper here.
You're making so much drama because of the gum?
Let's,
Oh, man.
give me a second. Woosha.
Are you okay?
Woosha.
Maybe you
Okay.
need some water.
Okay, Ms. Dragovic, ma'am, you don't wear that type of attire to court. Now, I do understand you said that you were running late and you had a photo shoot, I believe you said. But when you come to court, you have to dress in a more presentable manner. And I'm assuming you're a model or something like that.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I just didn't think that I should bring
but
like a
ma'am, you
business
can't-
clothes on my photo shoot.
You have to be somewhat at the very least, business casual.
Do you have like a T-shirt for me or
Something to
something?
wrap. Do we have a wrap or anything?
Not that I know of.
No, I'm sorry. We're just gonna have to let
I mean,
it.
Your Honor, I get paid for photo shoots in the bikini, so you should appreciate that. Seriously.
Yeah.
Let's just have a moment of appreciation for the beauty.
Appreciation.
He gets me.
Yeah.
You know what I appreciate? I appreciate people coming to my courtroom on time, which you did not do. I appreciate people who come into my courtroom properly attired, which you are not. I appreciate people who do not take their gum and put it on my podium, which you did. I appreciate my wife, so excuse me if I offend you, but you are not attractive to me.
Whoa! Did you catch that? Judge Porter just clapped back hard. Natalia pushed the line by expecting her looks to soften the courtroom blow. But the judge wasn't having it. This is what we call a judicial reality check. Court isn't Tinder. It's not Hollywood. It's a place of law. The judge highlights that professionalism outweighs appearances. Now, here's the kicker. Judges must tread carefully to avoid comments that seem personal. But in this case, he was shutting down a dangerous distraction tactic. What do you think? Was the judge too blunt? Or exactly right to draw that boundary?
I'm sorry.
Oh, wow, okay.
I don't mean
I
to
guess
offend
everyone
you.
can have a bad taste. What can I say? I'm pretty attractive to him. Right? Your
Are
Honor,
you
okay.
trying to get on my bad side?
I apologize. You know what? I don't want to get arrested.
Oh, you're
Again.
getting close to it.
So, I'm sorry if I was a little bit too much.
Ma'am, you are here because of traffic tickets. Apparently, you were speeding through a school zone. Am I reading this correctly?
Yeah, I guess it was a school zone. Yeah.
And why were you speeding through a school zone?
But I wasn't even speeding.
You weren't speeding?
Yeah, the officer stopped me because I looked hot.
How would the officer know you look hot if you're
Because my roof
driving-
was off. My roof was down.
You were
He could
driving
see me. I was driving. My hair was like, you know.
So you were driving a
Stop me.
convertible and you're saying
Yeah.
he stopped you because you look...
Why else? Because I wasn't driving too fast. It was like 40 kilometers or something.
Okay, ma'am, you were going through a school zone.
Yeah, but there
The
were no
school
kids.
zone is 15 miles per hour. Are you aware of that?
But there were no kids. No one was there. The street was empty.
I understand that, but between a certain time, you have to drive a certain speed.
Well, I'm
And
still on European time. Maybe that's why.
And you know what? You know what? Like you said, maybe the odometer on your car was set for kilometers versus miles per hour.
That's
But here's the
probably
problem.
why. Well, it's Italian
But here's the problem, though. Here's the problem, though. The speed limit is 15 miles per hour in a school zone. Even if you were to convert that from miles per hour to kilometers per hour, that still comes up to 25 miles per hour, which is still 10 miles
Oh, that's
over.
what happened.
Yeah,
so I did the conversion wrong. I'm so
Even
sorry.
if you do the conversion right, you're still going 10 miles over the speed limit through a school zone.
Here's where things get serious. Natalia argues that because she didn't see any kids, she shouldn't be penalized for speeding in a school zone. But here's the law. School zone speed limits apply regardless of whether kids are visible. They're tied to specific times of day for maximum safety. Judge Porter correctly points out that even after converting kilometers to miles, Natalia was still speeding. This is the difference between perception and legal obligation. Your feeling doesn't cancel the statute. Question for you. Would you buy Natalia's excuse about the car and the shoes? Or is this just reckless driving dressed up in glam?
Your Honor, I'm sorry about this. I didn't mean to do that. It just happened because this car is very fast, and sometimes when I wear shoes like that, I don't really feel the pedal. So when I press, it just goes, you know?
I understand. It's the shoes.
Yeah.
It's the shoes.
Yeah.
Like Air Jordans. It's the shoes. It's the shoes. Yeah, it's the shoes.
Just shoot.
I understand that.
Thank you so much. for
Okay.
understanding.
Give me a second, ma'am. Okay. And you got another ticket here for failure to yield.
But that was not true because I yielded. I remember 100%. I saw the store, okay, and there was this window reflection, And I looked at myself, I yielded, I had a moment to pause because I appreciated my hair that day, like really big time. So I did yield. I didn't even have a picture.
I believe her.
Yeah, you can see that intersection.
Hold up. Did she just admit to stopping at an intersection to admire herself in a store window reflection and take a selfie? This is pure courtroom comedy, but also dangerous in real life. The law requires yielding to oncoming traffic or pedestrians, not yielding for a personal photo shoot. The fact that she equates this with following traffic law shows a disconnect between self-image and legal responsibility. Imagine sharing the road with someone who treats stop signs like Instagram opportunities. Would you trust Natalia behind the wheel of a Lamborghini on your street?
On the picture.
I believe her.
You took a selfie at an intersection. Am I hearing that correctly, basically?
Well, I yielded because there was a store, okay, and there was my reflection in the window. You know, I'm driving a Lambo,
and you want to take a picture of you while you... Lord have mercy. Okay, Miss Dragovich, ma'am. Look, oh gosh. Okay. Look, ma'am. I don't have a representative from Mango Park here. Obviously I don't have the officer here to testify in relation to. No, ma'am. He's the bailiff. He's here for the courts. This is not the officer that you dealt with on the street.
Oh, okay.
As far as the failure to yield, I don't have a testimony for that. So I don't know how detrimental that failure to yield. I don't even know what you failed to yield to because I don't have someone here to say she did this.
Thank God he didn't show up.
Okay, now as far as the speeding ticket though, that.
Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
James.
I'm sorry, what'd you call me?
By your name, so we are like closer.
No, my name is Judge Porter to you.
Sir, Judge
Unless you are Mrs. James Porter, you will not call me James.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Unless
so,
you are my
Judge
bailiff,
Porter.
you will not call me James.
I don't even call you James.
I'm sorry. I didn't know that because, I mean, in Europe, it's okay to do that.
Are we in Europe or are we in Mango Park?
Yeah. Well, Sir, Judge Porter, I drive a Lamborghini. I want you to understand this. Lamborghini doesn't go slow, okay? So it's literally like asking an eagle to walk. How can you drive Lamborghini slow? And a convertible. If I slow down, I feel hot. Even though, I mean,
so you're telling me you have some type of Lamborghini Spider, correct? And you also said that it's like asking an eagle to walk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
let me
they
ask
don't
you
go
this
slow.
question, ma'am.
If you want, you can drive. It's parked outside.
Let me ask you a question, ma'am. Can an eagle walk?
No. Eagle can't walk.
Eagles can't walk.
No, they don't walk. They fly fast and they hunt.
So you've never seen an eagle walk a day in your life?
This exchange right here is gold. Natalia argues that driving a Lamborghini slow is like asking an eagle to walk. But watch Judge Porter flip the script, reminding her that eagles, like all birds, actually can walk. Beyond the humor, this is a masterclass in judicial patience. He's dismantling flimsy excuses with logic while keeping authority intact. This is where the court moves from comedy to reality. Your luxury car doesn't exempt you from the law. The Lamborghini isn't on trial, you are. And yes, even eagles, like Lambo drivers, must obey the rules of the road.
No.
Wow. Well,
anyway, Lamborghini
let me give you a lesson about birds, if I may. All birds can walk.
Oh, really?
Eagles walk, penguins walk, chickens walk. As a matter of fact, there are some birds that prefer to walk rather than fly. Now, depending on what...
my Lambo is not one of them.
I'm sorry?
My Lambo is not one of them.
Okay, but my point is your lamb can drive the speed limit.
With these shoes?
I don't care if you drive barefoot.
Did you see the platform?
Ma'am, I don't care if you drive barefoot. but you will
I think this is
respect-
discrimination against beauty. You are hot profiling me right now. Like, I can't believe that I get in this kind of trouble for driving my Lambo and enjoying my life. Like, seriously? Last time, all the time late everywhere. Now you want me to be even more late.
Okay. Do you have an appointment after this?
Yes, I have another photo shoot.
Okay. You know what? I got you. I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna make sure that you get to your appointment on time.
Thank you.
I am going to find you guilty. You're gonna pay the $150 fine.
And there it is, the gavel moment. Judge Porter hands down a $150 fine for speeding in a school zone. He could have gone harsher, considering the excuses and antics, but he kept it simple. Guilty, pay up, and leave. Notice how he even tried to expedite her dismissal, so she wouldn't be late for her appointment. A surprisingly efficient balance of authority and mercy. But let's be real. Was $150 enough to make an impact on someone flaunting a Lamborghini and multiple photo shoots? Or should the judge have gone bigger to really drive the lesson home?
That's it. It's over. I need you to leave
what?
now. I don't want you to be late. Get out of my courtroom. Have a nice day.
This is hot profiling.
I think he was a little tough. Just a little tough.
I'm going to go get me a cup of coffee.
Just a little tough, though.
I honestly don't know what's wrong with Judge Porter. I try to be nice with him. I think he has something against beautiful people. I don't know, even though he's handsome as well. I feel like this is hot profiling. This wasn't fair. They tagged me because I am foreign. I wasn't speeding. This is a Lambo, and there should be different rules for Lamborghinis. I'm disappointed. I don't know, like Mango Park, you suck.
So let's wrap this up. In the battle of glam versus gavel, Judge Porter stayed firm and handed Natalia Dragovich a guilty verdict with a $150 fine for speeding in a school zone. Along the way, we saw excuses about sunglasses, bikinis, selfies, shoes, and even eagle metaphors, but in the end, the law is the law. The takeaway? No amount of charm or charisma will shield you from accountability when safety is at stake, especially in school zones. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.